Cleaning countertops and tabletops can be a real strain on your lower back. The reason for this is as you reach out to clean, your lower back muscles have to strain to hold your body weight up so you don't face plant onto that table. A better way to do it is to bring your arm closer to your body as you clean, making smaller strokes. Also, switch up which hand you are using frequently as you clean. Otherwise, this will be a repetitive stress as you use just one arm or go in one direction every time, even though you're doing it in a proper way. Use these techniques and you'll go a long way to preventing shoulder pain and lower back pain. I'm Craig Zuckerman with Z-Line Fitness, helping you feel better, look better, and perform better. If you enjoyed that video, let us know. Hit the like button below. If you'd like to see more videos like it, subscribe to our channel so you can get notifications the next time a video comes out. Videos like these guys. Now, if you don't see a video and would like to see it, make sure to let me know in the comment section below and I'll produce that video for you. Also, you can ask me questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.